Most of the time, customers did not approach us and ask for a machine. They ask for a solution. They put us a piece of steel or whatever on a table and ask us how we can machine it. And that brings us to the needs what we have and the approach we have to reach. And that's the point where we have to work very strong on it, and that needs very strong partners. Sandvik Coromant is one of them when we're talking about technology, application, and so on.
I started collaboration with NILES-SIMMONS for 17 years, so it's a long way that we go together and we grow together and make more and more projects.
I was part of this project from the very early beginning, I think before the first drawings were even made. And we knew we had this idea in mind with the Coromant Capto ATC in front, and then the sensorized part, and then also running it as a changeable boring bar with a boring bar changer and the external power connection. And it's super impressive to see it develop from drawing to 3D model to actual machine.
Starting from the machine itself, it's a turning and milling center. And from the early beginning, we try to implement much more of usability in this equipment. So that means flexibility is the key for such a machine. We're not talking about a mass production. We're talking about a machining of a part, let's say, in one setup. So, and from that point of view, we have to integrate a lot of functionality in this machine.
The market needs a high integrated solution and which give them a robust process in a machine which have the ability to drive different processes in this way. And in this project we can use the Silent Tools Plus application for give the customer a large robust process with a high transparent process.
The differentiator between Silent Tools and Silent Tools Plus is that in the Plus version we add sensors. In the front there are vibration sensors that capture vibration and surface quality, and in the back we have sensors that can measure load and deflection. Directly on the tool we can interact with the machine control, and we add a sort of safety net. So in case something goes wrong in the process, the machine will be able to receive this as a signal from the tool and pull the tool back to a safe point, such as the tool change position. So in this way you can protect the very valuable workpiece, you can protect the valuable tool, and you can protect the machine. So you can save a lot of money for the customer in their production. So customers benefit from that by getting a lot of process transparency and insight. This is a closed door machine. We machine on the inside of the workpiece, and the operator is completely blind. He doesn't even know if he's machining air or if he's actually making chips.
And this maybe makes it critical in the process to find out what happened right now. So therefore, digitalization in this project was the most important thing to provide the operator on the machine a real-time result in the things what he is doing.
So with this solution, the operator in the beginning of the cut can see if the insert touches the material or the workpiece, and then can judge if the surface quality is right, if the insert is worn or broken, and if there's too little or too much load on the tool.
We can optimize the cutting data. That means we can reduce the cutting time, and that saves energy, and also we can optimize using our inserts. That's also save material, time, and you have also security in the process. So you reduce the crash in the production, so you make the first part can be a good part.
My main learnings from this project are it's absolutely super valuable to have a great partner by your side when working such a project.
we are the first company together with Sandvik Coromant which using this equipment in this way, and that's a complete new field, and I would say that's a complete new milestone. I see sometimes developing engineers stand in front of the machine and they look to their own product what they have created on the 24-inch screen, and then they stand in front of the machine and even surprised. We have created very nice solutions.
In the end of the day, everything was working well. We were very close collaborated. We come very deep in discussion, and also when it comes to the run off here, we have seen happy customer. It was very, very nice to see this.